If we've heard it once, we've heard it 10,000 times. We have a new normal. The world has changed. That's right. We now have online opportunities. We have more Zoom opportunities. We have more engaging over video and less in person. But we still have to communicate. We still have to get our ideas across. The ability to elevate your communication skill, to take it to the next level, is in more demand now than it ever has been. That's why we created the ultimate guide for the 13-box system. The 13-box system ultimate guide for online speaking, online presenting, and in-person speaking is the tool you need to help you develop and deliver present by the number communications. It will work with you. It will work for you every time you are asked to stand in front of an audience or sit at a screen like this and present your business. The 13-box ultimate guide. Check it out.